Today on World AIDS Day, we continue the ongoing fight against HIV/AIDS. Over the past 21 years, the United States has supported access for all to life-saving treatment for millions of people living with HIV worldwide. Here in Indonesia, we partner with the government of Indonesia, the World Health Organization, UNAIDS, civil society, and local communities. Our collective efforts have yielded positive results. By working together, we have expanded access to anti-retroviral therapy and have mobilized community-driven initiatives that are saving lives and restoring hope. Last year, the United States government supported Indonesia in implementing policy changes that enabled people living with HIV to receive multiple months of HIV medications at once. This change helped ensure continuity of treatment and prevented HIV transmission to others. We have seen how the HIV epidemic affects young people in Indonesia and around the world. Now is the right time to ensure that young Indonesians know how to protect themselves against this disease and get tested and treated when needed. Selamat Hari AIDS Sedunia.